Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at how to fix Steam games that are not launching on your computer. If you click play and nothing happens, or if the game opens and then closes right away. First, open your Steam library. Right-click on the game that's not launching. Then click on Properties. In the new window, go to the Installed Files tab. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check the game files to make sure none are missing or broken. This may take a few minutes. If Steam finds a problem, it will automatically fix it. Once it's done, try to launch the game again. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear your Steam download cache. To do this, click on Steam in the top left corner of the app, then choose Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Download section. At the bottom, you'll see a button that says Clear Download Cache. Click on it, then press OK to confirm. Steam will restart and you'll need to log in again. After that, try launching your game. Sometimes the problem is caused by outdated graphics drivers or missing Windows updates. Make sure your system is fully up to date. You can also try restarting your computer or launching the game as an administrator by right-clicking on the game's shortcut. If none of these steps work, you may want to uninstall the game and reinstall it. That's it for this video. Try each method one by one, and your game should start working. Thanks for watching.